Okay, everybody, here is one of the next stages of the custom 12th PC themed desktop. Right now we're getting ready to add some more RGB leads. As you can see, we have the Silverstone RGB controller and light set. The thing that I like about this is they did the white overlay, as you can see, across the strip. What this actually really does is it really helps diffuse the light really well, so that actually get a cleaner, more even tone of your RGB light. And our idea on this one is we're going to go with setting these lights to blue, since the customer prefers to have all the other lights in a green, since these are a ring, and that's going to accent. As you can see, he did add in a metallic reflective of a football player. Sorry, I had a bubble in my throat there for a second. Our plan eventually, depending on how everything else with some of the other mods are, we're probably looking to put a strip across here to light him up directly with his own accent color and give him like maybe his own tone of color, or something. We're not sure yet. We're still kind of figuring out what we want to do. But here's the granddaddy of it. So one of the things that we've seen on various other builds is some people put things like figurines and stuff like that in there, like the Fallout 4 builds. People were putting the Fallout 4 characters in there. Well, since this is football themed, based off of the Seahawks, the customer decided to go with a Russell Wilson figurine. And we were trying to figure out, we were looking to possibly place him right in this area. It just didn't look as well, so we decided, boom, right in the fan. So when you're coming out, he's gonna be looking like he's running right away from the fan, coming right towards you, dead center in the middle. It's gonna give a really good look. Then our next stage will be to attach his base to the IO plate on the back. And that will be the next stage, and you'll see the finalization of that. Stay tuned for some more updates on this, and we'll be back shortly. Thank you.